Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to the Crafty channel. If you are new, you are welcome. If you are my returning subscriber, you are welcome back. If you know you never subscribe and you are new here, please just hit on the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make these beautiful corn sleeves, which is very simple and easy to make and is beginners friendly. If this is what you like to learn, please keep on watching the video till the end. So on the table here, I have this piece of fabric for illustration. I'm making only for one sleeve. It's for illustration. And I have my interfacing, which is the hard gum. And I'm going to use both this lining for the main sleeve and also for the lining. And I also have these basic tools. So let's get started. So you'll be folding your fabric in half like this. So before cutting the sleeve, you should know the desired length you want your sleeve to be. So in this case, the sleeve length I'm using is 8.5 inches. So I'll be folding this fabric again into two like this. That is 4 pieces. This side is the opening side and this is closed. So I've folded it like I'm folding 180-degree flare. This is it. Then from this tip of the sleeve, you mark your sleeve length all across like this. So I'm marking 8.5 inches for the sleeve length. I'm going to connect the lines like this. Then the next thing to do is to cut it out. And I'm going to use this piece to cut the lining. So this is it, 8.5 by 8.5. So I'm going to use this piece to cut the lining. And I'm going to fold the lining the same angle. And I'm going to be placing the one I cut initially on it to cut the second piece, which is the lining. So this is it, guys. These are 2 pieces. This is the main sleeve and this is the lining. And I'm going to be cutting the interfacing on only the lining, not on the main sleeve. So I'll cut the interfacing now. So I've cut the interfacing on the lining. So I'm going to take it to my ironing board and iron the interfacing on the lining. And then come back and show you the next thing to do. So this is it. I've ironed the interfacing on the lining. So the next thing to do is, as you can see, this cone shaped sleeve, you see that I have some pointed edge here. So if you want it to be straight, you leave it as it is like this. You leave the up straight like this. But if you want it to have this pointed shape, you trim it a little bit down towards the end of the folded part here. So on the main sleeve, not on the folded part, not on the center fold, on the side here, I'll be coming down 1.5 inch and connect the line to this folded part. I'll be trimming it. But if you don't want that pointed edge, you just leave it straight as it is. You leave the up straight. But if you want that pointed edge, then you come down 1.5 inch or 2 inches. So I came down 1.5 inch and trim it off. So I'll be doing the same thing on the lining. So what I'm going to do now, you see the shape change. You see what I'm talking about? Yes. So what I'm going to do now is to place the good side together with the good side of the sleeve like this. Stitch it all around here. Stitch it here. Come here. Now you leave a gap about 2.5 inches or 2 inches where you'll be turning it inside out. So I'm taking it to my machine. Go and do that and come back and show you. So this is how it look after sewing it, and this is the gap I left. So I'll go ahead and turn it inside out. So I'm done turning it. So the next thing to do is to take it and give it a good press. After pressing it, I'll take it to my machine and sew this gap. The opening I left. I'll go ahead and sew it, then come back and show you. So after turning it, ironing it, this is how our sleeve look like. It's almost coming to an end. So guys, the next thing to do now is to fold it in half like this. This is the up. So you sew it with 1/4 inch like so. Then our sleeve is ready. Then I'll come and show you the finishing look. So guys, our sleeve is ready. Our cone shaped sleeve is ready. Look how neat the inside is. This is on the shoulder line. This is where you attach to the shoulder, and this sleeve can be attached to a sleeveless dress, a sleeveless top, or spaghetti hand. You just attach it as a design. So this is it. Our sleeve is ready. You can go ahead and embellish your sleeve, your cone sleeve. You can embellish it, or you stone it, or you can put pearls, any embellishment of your choice. So if this tutorial will be helpful to you, you find it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and also share my videos, comment, and if you have anything you want me to make tutorial on, you can leave it in the comments section. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.